Hello exhibitors! It's the week of our fall Twin Cities Bridal Show, and we are so excited to welcome you all back to the St. Paul River Center this Sunday. Before the festivities kick off, we have a few tips and tricks to note, from load in to load out and everything in between. First, the show hours are from 12 to 4 p.m., with fashion show times at 11:30, 1, and 2 o'clock. The show will take place in Exhibit Hall A on the lower level, and the fashion show will be in the ballroom on the upper level. When it comes to loading in, you'll want to enter through the loading dock off of Eagle Street. Setup hours are from noon until 4 on Saturday. If you have last-minute items to finish or receive prior approval for Sunday morning setup, we ask that you be in and out of the loading dock area no later than 10:30 a.m. on show day, and that your exhibit is complete by 11 a.m. If you have your own setup materials, like a rolling cart, we ask that you bring it with you to allow for swift load-in for everyone. To align with the River Center's current COVID guidelines, masks are requested for staff, vendors, and attendees at the Twin Cities Bridal Show, regardless of vaccination status. We ask that you wear masks to encourage the attendees to do the same. Keep in mind that if you have a 10 by 10 exhibit space, you may have a max of 3 staff members total in your booth. And if you have a 10 by 20, you may have up to 6 total people. We have hand sanitizer at every booth, along with disposable trash bins, and you may bring your own sanitizing wipes if you wish. You will find lanyards at your booth with your business name, including a specified number. This is a unique number that attendees can log into their account at theweddingguys.com and save you as a favorite vendor. So definitely encourage them to register online so they can connect with you after the show. One thing we've learned over the past year is that one-way aisles on the show floor ensures that every attendee will pass your booth, and it also assists with crowd control, so we'll be keeping these designated paths throughout the show floor. It's really great for making sure that you're connecting with every attendee. If you need a snack or beverage, the Headwaters Cafe on the street level will be open, and we are also reintroducing 2 bars onto the exhibit floor. Woohoo! We ask that your booth stay up until show closes at 4 p.m. We will have new attendees entering the show throughout the day in ticketed time slots, so you don't want to miss an opportunity to meet potential clients. You may begin teardown at 4 p.m., and we ask that you complete loadout by 7 p.m. on Sunday. We are so excited to welcome you all back to another fantastic Twin Cities Bridal Show. Be sure to cover your day on your social media. Couples love behind-the-scenes footage and sneak peeks, so tag us at Twin Cities Bridal Show and at The Wedding Guys on Facebook and Instagram. See you Sunday.